We all were beginners once, and it was very difficult to understand all the different things that you needed to do in order to make money online. There were so many different programs, so many different tools that you needed, so many different methods you had to learn, and it was very daunting in the beginning. So, I've come out with a video right now to show you how to use a very basic and simple tool. I'm going to show you a very basic and simple method that you can follow to start generating your first commissions and even transitioning into a full-time business. With this method, you can expect to make your first couple dollars online, as well as start actually generating a full-time income by implementing these tactics and strategies. So we're going to jump right in. I'm going to show you the tool that I'm talking about. It's 100% free. It's called Sway, and it's actually made by Microsoft. It's made by Bing. And if you go to bing.com, you come to Office Online, and you click on Sway, this is where you're going to go. And it's a lot like Google Slides, dumbed down, simplified, templified, right? So you're going to get basically a template, right? So now that you know what the tool is, and I'm going to demonstrate, I'm going to show you everything what this tool can do. What are we going to promote, right? So I chose to promote a product from Market Health, right? So you can go to Market Health, you can go to ClickBank, you can go to JVZoo, you can find affiliate products by searching Google yourself, right? Don't let the affiliate products stop you from trying this method out, right? There are plenty of places that you can find a very good affiliate product, right? I chose this product because it's in a kind of an obscure niche that's still pet related, which is a high interest field, and it's got a $40 payout, right? So that's very good. So what the whole part of this method is we're going to use Sway to create slideshow presentations to upload videos onto YouTube. And there's an extra added bonus to this because it allows you to do slideshows, which you can upload to different websites like SlideShare, and that have different SlideShare things that you can promote with as well, right? But for this method, we're primarily using YouTube by creating a presentation slideshow or whatever and uploading them onto YouTube. So now I've got my product, right? Next, I'm going to go to YouTube and I'm going to see if there's an interest, right? So I typed in, where can I buy dog vitamins online, right? I have a list of buyer intent keywords uh, or phrases that is going to show you interest in a topic, right? I have a list of, I don't know, 40 to 100. I don't remember what it was. So what I do is, and this particular one is, where can I buy blank online, right? So in this one, instead of, I just input in dog vitamins. Where can I buy dog vitamins online, right? I have two keyword tools meant to judge the strength of a keyword. One is vidIQ, and the other one is TubeBuddy. And in TubeBuddy here, I use TubeBuddy. I just like it a little better. I use both of the tools, but for different reasons. Okay, so TubeBuddy, it's spitting me out a good score, 59 out of 100. Anything that's good, anything over 50, we're gonna go for, right? Now, because of the ease of our tool Sway here, and we're going to be able to create really, really nice slideshows quickly. I can produce a lot of content really, really, really quick, right? So I can literally produce a video probably every hour. So I could probably, and even quicker once you get down the methodology and what really works for you, how long you want the videos to be and such. You could probably get it down half an hour, 45 minutes, top to bottom, right? So, as you can see here, the content is a little thin on this site. You got a 1 year ago, 1 year ago, um, 1 year ago, 5 years ago, 6 years ago, 3 years ago, 1 year ago. Okay. You can tell that it's generating views because you got 28,000. The number one spot's got a couple thou, 1.5 thou. You got a couple weak ones there. You got almost 4,000 and a 12,000. So it is generating views. It's not generating crazy views, but like I said, we can create content really, really quick. So we're going to hit this keyword. We're going to get a bunch of these keywords to put in there as well. And then we're going to move on to the next video, right? So basically what we're going to do is we have a keyword here, but we need a slideshow, right? So I'm not going to do the slideshow on where can I buy dog vitamins online. I'm going to do the slideshow on a Google search. So I did a Google search for just dog vitamins, right? And I'm looking for a blog post. And in this blog post, it's going to give me 7 tips, 100 tips, 5 tips. And sure enough, basically the very first one was 7 vitamins your dog needs for a healthy lifestyle, right? So that's what I'm going to do my slideshow on. If you notice, it has a number. It's got vitamins in the keyword here, and it's got like a little catch here, healthy lifestyle, right? So it's intriguing. So basically what I did was I clicked on the link, and I'm going to do what we call model success, right? And basically what I'm going to do is I'm using this as my template, and I'm basically just going to cut all this out and paste it into my Sway document that's going to generate a slideshow for me. And I'm going to reword some of this. For the sake of this video, I made a template already real quick, and I literally just cut and paste. But you're going to take a little bit more time and rewrite some of the words, right? So we're going to take a look at this for the first time. We're going to look at the actual thing that I made right here, right? So mind you, this isn't going to be insanely high quality. It's going to be nice, and it's going to be quick, right? So this is what's called storyline, right? So in storyline, this is where you're going to create your actual slideshow, right? And then this design function here is going to let you stylize this and make it kind of like a actual template or whatever. So what I did was I clicked on story, and I basically just went through the thing and I cut and pasted, right? As you can see right here, you would change some of the stuff around, like I said before, but it's a really, really cool slideshow. Now, mind you, I would spend more time on this if I literally created this from 5 minutes for the video here. But if you click on design here, now you're going to go to the elements that you can actually do. So you're going to click on styles here, and it's going to bring you up a couple. You can customize your own, which is amazing, right? Or you can just do their little templates right here. I think I picked this one right here, but you can pick basically any of the. We'll go with this one right here, right? So it's going to change basically the whole thing, right? So now we're going to go back to storyline, and we're gonna hit play, right? I'm going to show you some of the different functions, right? So if you click this button right here, you have an autoplay section. So if you wanted to just make a slideshow, not talk over it or anything, and literally just hit record, that's what makes this so powerful. You can literally just autoplay this, right? And if you set it for like something like 3 seconds like it is right now, and you keep the words kind of short and sweet and moving along, if you wanted like a 5-minute video or whatever, then you need X amount of slides every 5 seconds. So you need 12 slides for a minute, and then 12 times 5 is 60. So you need 60 slides total. So you need a combination of, like say, 10 pictures and 50 or whatever. But we're not going to do that. We're going to actually, in this presentation, this video, we're going to just go ahead and talk over top of it, right? So if you hit start here, you can start scrolling. So this is the default, and it's a vertical scroll. So As you can see here, I can scroll through it like this, right? So in this presentation, I actually made a mixture of what would look good vertical, horizontal, and like book format, right? And we'll go over this. So as you can see here, it even has, I could put a GIF in there. I got some pictures. This looks really, really good, right? So you just going down and bam. And then I have a call to action at the bottom, right? So this is the vertical. And then we're going to go to horizontal. And this is the, I don't know if it's going to show that. Okay, so sorry, I'm trying to position that so you can see best. So if you click right here, now you got a nice little format right here. Looks pretty good. Doesn't look the greatest, but for, you know, the hour or whatever that's going to take you to do it, top to bottom, that looks pretty good. And then the other format that you could do, this is the one that I like the best. It's like almost like a book format, almost like an ebook reader. Oh, darn it. Let's see if we can get back to the beginning. What a pain in the butt. Here we go. So this is like the ebook reader. So if I was doing this right now, let's just say I'm starting the presentation from the beginning. I'm literally going to say, hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you the 7 vitamins your dog needs for a healthy lifestyle, right? So grocery stores and pharmacies are stocked with rows upon rows of human vitamins. With so many options for us, it's completely logical that we wonder if our pets might benefit from some of these vitamins too. So you go through, you read some more. I think the pet really does. I mean, you want to promote a vital lifestyle for your dog, and vitamins are a part of that, right? So what are some of these vitamins, right? Vitamins are organic compounds that are necessary to sustain life. Most are found in natural food, blah, blah, blah. So basically, you're just going to read over and click through. And I use a recording software called Screencastify, which is 100% free. So this is a really, really good method. I did a method on this previously on Google Slides, right? So this is a top to bottom systematic way that you can start making your first money online and even go into creating a really, really profitable business. So if you found value in this, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. If you liked the video, make sure you like that. If you have any questions, comment below, and make sure you check out some of my other videos. I do videos a couple times a week. And guys, I will see you in the next video.